Cue the drums, enter stage left, John F. Kennedy, the 35th President of the United States. Serving from 1961 to 1963, Kennedy was known for his charm, wit, and the Cuban Missile Crisis. Now JFK was a man of many hats, and one of those was a Cold Warrior. He stared down the Soviet Union, and folks, we all remember the Bay of Pigs. Not exactly a day at the beach, was it? But let's not forget his commitment to civil rights and the moon landing. He had a dream, and it was bigger than a white picket fence. "We choose to go to the moon," he said. And we did. Infamous, perhaps, but memorable, absolutely. JFK, ladies and gentlemen, a president who left an indelible mark on history.